Hi, I'm Natalie Taylor with AMA Meditime, and welcome to the HydroImpact tutorial video. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly assemble, prep for a treatment, perform a treatment on a client, and how to properly clean up after you're done. Your HydroImpact will look like this when you unpack it, and it comes with a box of easy-to-assemble parts and accessories. In the box, you'll find that the HydroImpact comes with one Hydro W handpiece and one Hydro E handpiece, along with one measuring cup, one drain bottle, a user manual, one box of 60 tips for the HydroImpact handpiece, a power cord, and finally 2 rods with screws to hold your handpieces. To start, take the 2 rods one by one and place into the designated spot and screw in underneath. Next, install the Hydro handpieces into the appropriate slots. HydroImpact lists which handpiece should go where, and just snap them in and turn the knob to secure in place. Place the drain bottle on the bottom front shelf as seen here. Next, gently lift the top right panel and pour your filled measuring cup of water into the HydroImpact. It's recommended to never use tap water, but either filtered or distilled room temperature water. Next, you're going to want to get the 2 different handpieces ready and just snap them on. Turn on the HydroImpact and select either the Hydro E for electroporation function or select the Hydro W for the hydrogen water skincare function. For the full HydroImpact treatment, you'll always start with the Hydro W function first. HydroImpact also allows you to adjust the time and intensity of the treatment. Then just wait for the light on the handpiece to turn on like you see here. And don't worry if you ever forget to fill up the HydroImpact with water. This warning sign will show up on your screen. It's recommended to start with the F-tip and gently but firmly run it over the client's whole face first. And before you press the start button, make sure the Hydro W handpiece is firmly placed on the treatment area with the F-tip following the curve of the treatment area. When cleansing the hard-to-reach and delicate areas like the nose and eye area, switch to the end tip for a more precise cleaning. Next, you can use your favorite skincare ampules. We recommend using any of the Histolab's 4 ampules or either the Ionto P or Ionto V solutions. Go ahead and apply the solution of choice to your client's face and lightly massage it in. And when the Hydro E handpiece is ready, lightly glide it over the treatment area in an upward motion. After the treatment, you'll notice the water on both sides that you'll need to clean out. It's easy to clean, just press this button, and the dirty water will start to drain into the drain bottle. Once that's done, press this button on the right-hand side to drain the remaining water. Then gently lift up the panels, take out the filter, rinse it, and let it air dry. Next, gently lift up the filter on the left-hand side, take it out, clean it in water, and let all the components of the HydroImpact air dry. And visit our YouTube channel to watch our new HydroImpact maintenance tutorial video and learn how to thoroughly clean your HydroImpact.